How's it going, guys? Genesis Crypto here, and today I have a video on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going back to 15,000, 20,000? Are we seeing Bitcoin rising? Are we seeing it rise constantly? Are we going to get to the points that we want to get to with Bitcoin soon? Well, I'm actually right now in coinmarketcap.com, and in coinmarketcap.com, we see that the price is at 10,809. We're getting pretty close to 11,000. My slow, off the beat claps, right? Obviously, this is good. This is, obviously Bitcoin's price going up means mining profits going up. It means people that bought from 9,000 maybe selling right now, right? A lot of good things, a lot of good profit, margins and good stuff happening right now. However, 10,809 is not high enough for the entire community to feel confident that it's going to go any higher, like 15,000 and 20,000. So how are we going to see if we're going to be getting to 20,000 soon? This year, perhaps, right? I definitely believe Bitcoin is going to get higher than 20,000 in this year. I'm pretty guaranteed on that. All right. However, in the next month or in the end of this month, that's going to be pretty rare. It could happen. Bitcoin's way too volatile for anybody to accurately predict it, no matter how many chart readers and algorithmic calculations you want to do. In the end of the day, charts are literally just a whole bunch of humans selling and buying something whenever they feel scared or whenever they feel confident, and whenever this, this. There is ways to predict charts a little better, like the head and shoulder kind of thing, or if there's a huge gain, there's gonna be a loss eventually. It can't just keep going up and up and up and up. So there's a couple little tricks you could use up your sleeve to be able to gain profits in your favor. However, in the end of the day, this is just an emotional game between hundreds of thousands up to millions of humans. Okay, so I want to talk about the last 30 days. We have here January 28, 2018 to February 27, 2018. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down really quickly. And okay, first let me show you guys here. We're only going to be looking at the highs and the lows. What does that mean? That means that, for example, in February 26, 2018, Bitcoin hit its high that means it was at this price at 10,475 on February 26th, and that was the highest price that it was on that day. And this was the lowest price that it was on that exact same day. You get it? All right, cool. So let's go down. And this is the list for high, the second one, and then the third one is the list for low. Let me put my phone on mute real quick. Okay, sorry about that. So if we're scrolling all the way down, the last time Bitcoin hit 12,000, literally the last time, there's no other time. All right, so the last time Bitcoin was at 12,000 was literally 30 days ago, in January 28, around 30 days ago. January 28. That's a long time, guys. That's a long time for us to not hit over 12,000 when Bitcoin was at 20,000 at one point. However, in that same day, Bitcoin was at 11,475. All right, cool. Now let's keep looking at the highs. I want to see this trend for a second. Bitcoin, for its highs, we're not focused on lows right now. For its highs, it kept decreasing as the days go. Decreasing, and look at that, 7,850. When in February 6th, the low that happened in February 6th was 6,048. Okay, so let's keep moving on. It went higher, and then it kind of stabilized higher, and then gradually going higher, and then slowly going lower. Now that sounds like a little bit of head and shoulder right there, gradually going up, then going down a little bit, right? So it'll probably go a little higher up, which it is, because February 26, now we're in February 27, and it's going a little bit higher up, and I guarantee you it'll keep going up as you, oh no, I actually decreased it right there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll go up a little more. I don't see it going up past 12,000, however. Let me tell you guys something. All right. Here's the chart for Bitcoin. This is the entirety of Bitcoin's lifetime. But obviously, we don't want to look at the entire lifetime of Bitcoin. We want to look at least the last 3 months. Okay? Look at these prices right here. You see these prices? Okay, I want you to look at the market cap for those prices. 328 billion, 333 billion. You know what a billion is? A billion is 1,000 million. A billion is a lot of money for one thing to be put in, right? So look, exponential growth, boom, decreasing. Exponential growth, decreasing. It's just kind of how it grows. But however, once we hit this bottom right here, which is around 12,000, that's when things started getting really bad. Because as you guys can see, things just started going down, 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 all the way down to around 6,000 or so, and then a little up, a little down, probably a little up right now, and then a little more down. All right, so what am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is, guys, in the end of the day, Bitcoin's price is calculated by the market cap and the quantity of Bitcoin that is right now. Every 10 minutes, a new block is found. Every 2 weeks, we have a difficulty adjustment. Difficulty adjustment it has nothing to do with pricing, however. Don't think about that, right? We're thinking about the blocks. Every 10 minutes, a block is found. Every 10 minutes, more Bitcoin is in the network. All right, which means this quantity is going up little by little, like very little by little, until we get the max supply of 21 million. Now, I guarantee you, once we hit 21 million, that's when Bitcoin's price is really gonna start skyrocketing like crazy. Because now, the supply is limited. And the demand, by that time, should be grand. Alright, guys? So, let me quickly show you guys something. Right now, we have $182 billion. Oops. $182 billion. And, you know, into Bitcoin, right? 338,882. This is the exact market cap we have right now, right? If you divide this by the total quantity that is available right now of Bitcoin, which I'm looking at right down here, okay? That is the exact same price that we are looking at right now, as you can see. So for Bitcoin to hit 15 or 20,000 in the next month, it would probably have to pretty close to double what it has right now. And if you're gonna tell me that a lot of human beings, literally everybody that has invested into Bitcoin right now, double that in a month. Now, obviously, Bitcoin's volatile. It could happen. However, with this whole bear trend that's been happening recently, I really don't see that happening, guys. Let me show you guys something really quickly. For sake of convenience, we're not even going to include these little numbers here. So 182,000,000,000 multiplied by 2. This is double. So this would be the market cap if we doubled the amount of money into Bitcoin right now. And now let's divide that by, we're just going to predict like more in time what the quantity would be. So I'm just going to say, I'm not even going to go that higher, to be honest. Let me see. This is hundreds, this is thousands. This is, you know what? We're just going to use the same quantity. Okay. 16,890,225. Okay. That would be $21,550. That would be the price of Bitcoin if we were to be able to double the market cap. However, I do not see us doubling the market cap. Doubling, that means all the money right now. All the money circulating, trading, USD to BTC, USD Tether to BTC, everything. But double that. It's not going to happen in the next month, guys. In a bear market, really? Come on, guys. We're smarter than that. You know? So, what will it really take for Bitcoin to go back to this amount? Well, I just showed you guys. It would take double what we have currently in Bitcoin, which would take a lot of money. Guys, look at the volume per 24 hours of Bitcoin. It is around 7 billion. Let me see. Yeah, $7 billion. Okay. Now remember, if the volume per 24 hours is $7 billion, and we need double of what we have currently right now, that means somehow, some way, we need way higher volumes, right? I mean, crazy amounts of volumes. I'm talking about this amount, well, around 10 billion all the way to 20 billion in a 24-hour time. And that's just the volume of circulating money, right? This would have to be, all the money would have to be going into Bitcoin, not getting out of Bitcoin. Nobody's selling, people are buying at that time. Then we could definitely see Bitcoin's price going back up. But it would have to get really, really, really bullish. A lot of people are going to have to get really convinced for Bitcoin to go back up. Now, I love Bitcoin, and I guarantee you it'll go back up. It'll go to 50,000. It'll go to 100,000. Maybe even a million, right? But in time, guys, in time, this is a patience game, right? This is really a patience game. You have to be patient. You have to know what you're doing. You have to know when you're trading. You have to know when you're selling and buying. Bitcoin is not, at least currently, Bitcoin is not, you know, for everybody, straight up. It really isn't. Because right now, Bitcoin is not seen as a currency for a lot of people. A lot of people see it as an investment, right? But eventually, hopefully, one day, we will see Bitcoin as a currency. And I'm talking about the majority of people seeing it as a currency. I already see it as a currency. I've used Bitcoin to buy things already. A lot of things, right? So I support Bitcoin as an investment and as a currency. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Genix team, it is very simple. You go to genixthecrypto.com. And in genixthecrypto.com, you go to Genix team. In Genix team, you follow these 4 simple steps, free and quick, and you'll be able to access my private chat, audio, and video Discord server. It is a great place to be able to get with people that know about cryptocurrency and are passionate about cryptocurrency and are talking about cryptocurrency, and share your information and they share their information, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do daily cryptocurrency videos, guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. I have passive income ways in the description below that I use myself. So make sure you guys benefit from that. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Take care.